Let's put some light on. Oh, there we go. Right. Episode 2, looking at this Telefunken tablet. As I said in previous video, I've disconnected the battery now. I've put a couple of leads on it. That's the lead that goes to the circuit board, and that's the lead that goes to the battery. It was down below 2.5 volts, so it wouldn't charge as a LiPo battery. At the moment, I'm telling it it's a nickel metal hydride, charging it at 0.1 of an amp, just to see if we can bring it up enough to actually charge it properly. So that'll probably do for this episode. If we can get it up to anything reasonable, then we can try and charge it properly. I suppose I could just plug a 1S LiPo battery in there, see if we got enough power to fire it up. I don't think I've got any batteries that big at the moment. I'll have a look. Right. I just switched it on then using a different battery, and I think I can see what the problem is. Is that going to fire up again? I don't want to fire up now. There we go. Yeah. I don't think this is going to be usable, is it? We have a cracked screen. I didn't notice it was cracked. So yeah, he's not going to be a lot of good to us. I might salvage the battery out of it if we can actually charge it up. That might be useful. But it looks like it's not worth working on. That's a shame. Well, on the positive side, I am now charging it as a LiPo battery. So we are getting some charge into it. I very much doubt whether it's, well, I'm not going to try, but I very much doubt whether it's worth trying to get a replacement screen anyway. I think that's the date, 2013-0103. So, yeah, probably not worth the effort. Well, just for reference, this one was in the same box. It's a Bush tablet. I've got a serial number there. But yeah, that one's got a broken screen as well. That one's a micro USB supply on it. So that one might have a recoverable battery in it. But again, I don't think it's worth trying to fix the screen. I'll be surprised if they're even available. That's actually, looks like that's one I might have opened at some time. Okay, I've been trying to clear some junk out of my stock, so this is junk. Just thinking about this one, although the screen's broken, it does have an HDMI port on it, doesn't it? So I could try plugging it into a decent screen and see if we can actually access anything that way. Just thinking. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing, and somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.